I am Irakli Natenadze, one of the owners and CEO of the manufacturing factory Tsunda. The company was established by my father, Alexander Natenadze, in 1995. In the beginning, we were a small enterprise and real pioneers in the field. But since that we have grown to one of the biggest manufacturers in the region. The main contributor to our success has always been a regular introduction of innovations in the Georgian market. The factory itself is staffed with qualified and experienced labor. Currently, near 100 people are working in the company and the average annual sales turnover of the company is roughly 5 million. For the future, we have plans for growth and we hope to expand our presence in other countries too, and we are working very hard for it.
We are specializing in complex and non-standard furniture manufacturing. The main scope of our business is working on individual projects, but we also have mass production lines too. The enterprise has resources to process 300 sheets of furniture materials per day. We are able to manufacture any level of difficulty, design and size projects. Nowadays, only in our enterprise, it's possible to process 3D details, as well as to produce large quantities of details. Our product differs from other products on the market by its cutting accuracy and high degree of edge bending. We are very proud of our successfully accomplished projects such as public service halls, various banks and hotels. Our clients are requiring the highest quality manufacturing process, but probably they also will approach us for the complexity of projects and decades of experience in the field, and we are helped with the Biesse machines. Our partnership with Biesse started in 2007 and has successfully continued since that. That first machine we bought 13 years ago, that was CNC roller A. Now 18% of the production is performed with the Biesse technology. All the details are produced programmatically and with the newest Biesse technologies. Software support is crucial in the production process because manufacturing process is much easier and the probability error is minimized. It also improves quality and increases the production capacity. In general, the automation process is a real game changer in our industry because with the help of it we are capable to produce and manufacture huge quantities of details. Entire process is much more efficient, the number of errors are significantly low and cutting process is just outstanding, which cannot replicate any human labor.
The company is operating more than 25 years in the market. Initially, we were working with different companies, but after years of experience, we have chosen Biesse and several reasons have been contributed for this choice. We share the same philosophy. We strive for innovations. Biesse don't follow the market demand. It changes, evolves the market with its innovation and new inventions. Because of this successful partnership, we gladly recommend Biesse to new enterprise and the field. When we talk to them about our experience with Biesse, they rely on these decades of history and feel much safer with such companies than to any other competitors.